Okay, well, no.
They usually put them in one row. But because of the number of delegates we have, and to avoid it from being clumsy, to make it functional, we now said that they told us to put the delegates. And already we have 3,800 delegates. There are people manning it to make sure that everybody's in their respective places. Then it'll be so smooth, because they call them state after state. So you go out, you turn out and go. It'll be so easy, sir. And very.
So delegate will not sit down in the pavilion of their state.
They will sit in the pavilion of their state. I've said the states are going to be state by state. So we can people in the state. Some states have 20, some places have 60.
Yeah.
All right, sir. All right, sir.
When they are coming down with the big set, when they are coming, you have them. We get some things where all these security people they do, so we know they make sense.
Excellency, you are in charge of the Security and Compliance Committee, a very important and strategic committee for the fact that Mr. President will be in this arena. What's your assessment so far?
My
Assessment so far, please.
well, I think this is not our first time using this Eagle Square. We have knowledge of the square itself, and no doubt we are ready, and we have people already started working on the venue, on security, on everything. So we are ready. I think we are good to go on Monday.
So 2,000 plus delegates will be here finally, sir, Your Excellency. What do you have to say to these delegates and their conduct?
Well, I will say that we are a disciplined party, and our members should show discipline, and I'm sure that when they come, you will see it. We're going to have an each-free primary, presidential primary, because we are a disciplined party, and our members will show some discipline.
Okay, finally, sir, you are a major proponent of zoning to the south. So many people have said that you have kept on hammering on this. Is this still your stance that the party should zone the ticket to the south?
That will be a discussion for another time and another place. What I'm here for is the venue, not on zoning. So we'll talk about that later.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.